Hello motherfuckers, I'm the Gooner Frank. And unlike your boss, I just tell the truth for free. So you better stick your cheap ass to the video. And niggas, if your attention span is very low, then put some gum over your ass and sit on the video so that you can get stuck to the video. Let me tell you about a guy named Daniel, 24 years old, marketing job, $52 motherfucking thousand a year. That bitch ass Ning Ning thought that he was doing fine. Ha 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 ha, cute. He was a pussy anyway. He worked 9 to 5, 5 days a week, over 2,000 funking hours a year, giving away his time, his life for $52,000. That's $25 an hour, on paper. Then Daniel, that sorrow-ass poor fuck, did one simple math problem which his fucking school never taught him. After taxes, after the time spent driving to work, after all the free extra hours Pussy Daniel worked, hoping for a promotion he was never getting, his real pay was $14.80 an hour. $14.80 for his life. And he thought he was winning. He's not dumb. He just never did the math. Most of you haven't either. So let's do it now, and I'm not gonna be nice about it. Listen, pussy. Here's the truth no motherfucking body wants to tell you. You were not raised to get rich. You were raised to be a slave, to show up on time, to shut your ass up, to pay your taxes without asking questions. School taught you to listen and wait like a bitch. Them slave masters taught you to wait for someone else, someone with more money to decide the worth of your ass. Then you got a job, and you called that winning.
Stupid ass Ning Ning.
It's not winning, pussy. It's just being a good bitch to your master. Bro, I know my words are feeling harsh to you, but I beg to you that please understand that a salary has a limit. Your piggy-ass boss will never pay you what you're actually worth. If you make the company $500,000, the major portion goes to the masters. It never goes to you. Never ever. As long as you keep playing this way, it is guaranteed that you are going to get fucked. You can work late, get every certificate, beg for every raise. Doesn't matter. There's only 24 hours in a day. That's all you have to sell. And right now, you're selling it cheap and bragging about the price. Oh fuck, I forgot to speak about the main thing. Sorry niggas. Now let's talk about taxes. This part is just plain rude. If you have a job, the government takes its share before you even see the money. And you ain't got no choice but to lick the government's ass and tell yourself that it's tasty. After taxes you get whatever's left, like a tip. But people who own businesses or investments, they earn the money first, spend what they need, then pay tax on what's left. Different game, different rules. The tax system wasn't built for workers. It was built for owners, people who own businesses, property, stocks, people who make money without showing up every day. You were told to get a good job. The people actually getting rich were told to own things, while people like you show up at 9 a.m. to make money for them. Bro, if you don't feel that you're made fool, then you will always gonna get stuck into the matrix. So here's what you actually need to do, and this will only work if you're serious. Rule 1. Stop selling all your hours. Right now, every hour belongs to someone else. You need to start building something small, a skill, a side hustle, anything that can make money without you trading time for it. Even something tiny can have snowball effect in the future. But you have to keep in mind that the skill you attain must have large potential for monetization. Or the side hustle you start should have good amount of scalability potential. Rule number 2. Learn how money works. Investing, owning things, basic taxes. No one is coming to teach you this. Not school, not your boss. But don't worry if you subscribe me. The Gooner Frank. I'm gonna teach you all of these things with my experience of running 2 successful businesses for the past 6 years. So subscribe, and let's get back into the video. Rule number 3. Stop being impressed by job titles. A 9 to 5 isn't your enemy. It's a starting point for anybody who wants to make in life, but at the same time it's just a comfy cage too with free Wi-Fi. I also started with a marketing job and my pay was exact $52,000 per year. So there is nothing shame in having a 9 to 5. But your ass should feel ashamed if you get comfortable with the 9 to 5. Ha! So, Daniel finally woke up, started a small side job on weekends. Barely anything at first. 2 years later, it matched his full salary. And he got his time back. Guys, let me tell you the secret that pussy boy Daniel was me, the Gooner Frank, nobody else. And it's real for you too. Yes, you. The math that I did and found that my $25 are actually 14.8 made me furious. It was in 2019. If this made you a little bit conscious, then I would say my intention is fulfilled. Send it to someone still proud of their $14.80 an hour. Subscribe.